Did you know that over 70% of homeowners tackle a home improvement project each year? Painting tops the list as the most popular upgrade, and it can boost your property value by up to 5%. Stick around, because at the end I'll share a secret tip you won't want to miss. Join me as I take on the challenge of transforming my dream home improvement project into reality. Let's see if I can actually pull it off. Painting is one of those magical solutions that can completely flip the script on your home's look and feel. It's amazing how a fresh coat of paint can breathe new life into your space, making it feel more vibrant, more modern, and just plain more you. Whether you're looking to refresh a single room or give your entire house a makeover, painting is an incredibly effective way to make a big impact. And the best part? It's a project that can be tailored to fit just about any budget or style. The transformative power of paint lies in its ability to change the way we perceive a space. A well-chosen color can make a room feel larger, smaller, warmer, or cooler. It can even influence our moods and emotions. No wonder so many of us consider painting a top priority when it comes to home improvement projects. But before you start painting, you've got to put in the legwork. Researching colors, techniques, and products can be overwhelming, especially if you're new to DIY projects. And let's not forget about the prep work: cleaning, sanding, taping off trim. It can be a long and tedious process. Yet, with a little patience and planning, the payoff is well worth it. For many of us, the biggest hurdle is choosing the perfect color. Will you go bold and bright, or stick with a tried-and-true neutral? And what about all the different finishes and techniques out there? The options can be dizzying. But don't worry, we'll get into all of that in a bit. Common challenges like choosing colors, techniques, and budgeting can be tough to navigate. You might find yourself lost in a sea of paint swatches, unsure which shade will look best on your walls. Or maybe you're worried about the cost of materials and labor if you're hiring a professional. To make things more complicated, there are countless painting techniques to choose from. You've got your basic latex, oil-based, and epoxy paints, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. And then, there are all the specialty finishes, metallic, textured, and faux, to name a few. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of a painting project, but it's essential to take a step back and plan carefully. Set a budget, choose your colors and techniques, and make a list of the materials you'll need. One of the most significant challenges homeowners face is deciding on a color scheme. You might have a clear idea of what you want, but it's essential to consider the natural lighting, furniture, and decor in your space. Another challenge is dealing with the unexpected costs that can pop up during a painting project. To avoid breaking the bank, prioritize your spending and be prepared to make some compromises. We've all been there, standing in front of a paint swatch, trying to decide between two similar shades. It's a tough decision, but one that will have a significant impact on the final result. Exploring different painting techniques can be a great way to add some personality to your space. From subtle textured finishes to bold statement-making designs, the possibilities are endless. Color psychology plays a significant role in painting, as different hues can evoke different emotions and moods. For example, blues and greens can create a calming atmosphere, while yellows and oranges can stimulate energy and creativity. When it comes to planning a successful painting project, preparation is key. Make sure to clean and sand your surfaces, tape off any trim or molding, and lay down a drop cloth to protect your floors. The right tools can make all the difference in a painting project. Invest in high-quality brushes, rollers, and paint trays to ensure a smooth, even finish. Let's talk about a project that I recently worked on and how it completely transformed my space. I had been putting off painting my living room for ages, but finally decided to take the plunge. I went with a bold, dark color on the walls and a crisp white on the trim. The result was stunning. The room felt cozier, more intimate, and just plain more inviting. The best part? The emotional impact it had on me and my family. The new color scheme completely changed the way we used the space, and it brought us closer together. We started having movie nights, game nights, and just general hangouts way more often. The transformation was more than just aesthetic. It was emotional. It made me realize just how much of an impact a simple paint job can have on your daily life. Recapping the benefits of painting your home, it's clear that it's a project that can have a huge impact. Not only can it completely change the look and feel of your space, but it can also be a great way to express yourself and bring your family closer together. To recap, some essential tips to keep in mind include choosing colors that reflect your personal style, investing in high-quality tools and materials, and taking the time to properly prepare your space. The key takeaway is that painting your home can be a rewarding experience, one that can bring you joy and pride in your space. If you've got your own painting projects, I'd love to hear about them. Share your stories and experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more home improvement tips and tricks, and be sure to check out my other videos for inspiration on your next project.